Mini makeup products are super cute, but the question is, do they actually work, or are they just adorable little things that do nothing? Let's find out. I have here a super tiny primer. This one is by MAC, the Prep and Prime, and for comparison, I have a regular primer. This one is 30 milliliters, and the tiny one is almost 6 milliliters. Super mini. I'm really scared to squeeze this. It's so tiny. I'm applying what I have on my hand because we don't have much product in here. Oops, by accident I squeezed a lot. Maybe I can use it 2 times. I think I am halfway there. And this is actually one of the first primers that I bought when I started using makeup, but you know, the full size. You cannot really buy this mini primer. It was in an advent calendar. Okay, it feels exactly like the regular primer. It is super cute. And I also bought this makeup box to showcase all of the mini products today. Now, I got this from Temu and it's not very well made. I might say it has some sharp edges. I don't know what is this little thing here. I'm curious to see how many products I can fit in this makeup box, and stay until the end of the video to see the final makeup look using all of the tiny products. I also got this mini makeup bag. I couldn't resist. It is super adorable. It has cat paws. It is squishy, velvety soft. I really like this one. I got one more, I don't remember why. For foundation, I was able to find a set of different colors, and we have here tiny foundations. Let's see how they look. Oops. Oh my god. They're super tiny. They are almost the size of my fingertip. And I'm going to use this for foundation, concealer, also to contour my face. And we have 4.5 milliliters. And this one is a full-size foundation. And we have so many colors. Something is gonna match my face, right? Super cute. I think this one is the closest for my skin tone. The next color is very yellowy, yeah, and very dark for me actually. The next color is very pinky. Who can wear this color? It's very weird. After that we have the contouring shade. Oh my gosh. And we also have a lilac shade. You can use this color if your skin is pale. And we also have a white, so you can mix it with all of the shades. I'm gonna start with this color and wish me luck. Oh, it is exactly my color. Oh boy, the scent. Baby powder and perfume together. This is gonna take me ages. We have such a small doe food applicator. 10,000 years later. And now I'm going with the contouring shade, the darkest, that I think it is very dark for me. Okay. That doesn't look promising. And I'm gonna contour a little bit my nose. I'm afraid that I have applied too much. What am I doing? Now, about the concealer, the white foundation is very white and it's not gonna look nice. So I'm going to mix it with the foundation shade. Yeah, I hope this is a good idea. And if you're wondering how I'm gonna blend everything, I have found mini makeup sponges. So some white. Oh no, I think I applied too much white. This looks like a Halloween makeup look now. For some reason, my skin gets itchy.
Lovely.
Look how cute they are in here. And these are the mini makeup sponges that I found. They are by Real Techniques. And I'm hoping that I can blend everything together because I don't have high hopes for my face makeup today. Come on, sponges. Oh boy, it is stuck somewhere. Oops. They are so cute. And this is how it looks wet. Let's start blending. This doesn't look promising. I'm going in the concealer shade. It actually blended nicely. Oh boy, I took some of the contouring shade. Wish me luck. I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to apply all the colors together. You definitely need more time to blend everything with a mini makeup sponge. Let's go to the contouring shade.
Oh no.
This side doesn't look good. I'm really scared for the nose. It's time for the cheeks.
This is not happening.
Learn from my mistakes. I'm removing some of the contouring shade for obvious reasons. It's time for the nose. Let's do this. I applied too much product. I don't know what I was thinking. I even created a circle here. I can fix it, okay? Don't do this. I'm removing the contouring. So this is a makeup anti-tutorial today. I'm gonna add some more foundation, and surprisingly the concealer color is very nice. So I'm going to use the other sponge. Blend, 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 blend. Okay, so about the foundations, they look very natural on the face. The color range is whatever. Are they easy to use? Not really. Can still smell that weird scent. About the sponges, they are super adorable. Next up, we have a mini setting powder. This one is by Laura Mercier. Almost 1 gram of product. So tiny. For comparison, I have here a full size by another brand. We have 30 grams of product. It's so cute. Let's open it. It looks very nice and natural. And I also found the tiniest powder puffs that I'm gonna try to use to apply the powder. Let's see how tiny they are. We have a few colors here. Ooh, so cute. So tiny. They look like flip-flops for Barbies. Challenge accepted. The challenge is to use the powder. I'm gonna add some powder. No way that I'm finishing this video before nightfall. Maybe I can use 2 powder puffs. Okay, let's go. Oh boy. What am I doing? The powder puff is not very soft for the under eye area, and that's weird because who is gonna use this for all of their face? You know, except me. Eye area not approved. Don't buy these. About the powder, this one is the luminous version and it gives a light golden sheen that doesn't look nice on the eyes. Also, I think it's not for my skin tone, and you can't really buy this tiny product. I found it in an advent calendar again. The packaging is actually not so troublesome because you can apply some on a tissue, and this is great to travel with. I think I can use it 5 to 6 times because I still have a lot of product in here. Cuteness overload. For blush, I got this super cute one, and it is a Glow 2 illuminating blush. Here we go. Oh, what do we have here? And it says subscribe to not miss any new videos. So we have here 2.5 grams of product. The regular size is 4 grams. And of course, I got some mini brushes as well. This is a set that I found on Temu. Let's see how small the brushes are. Ooh, there are so many! I think I'm gonna be able to use these for the eyes as well. And we have 3 different colors for the handle. How do we feel about that? It is a brush set. They are so cute. They are actually very well made. I'm gonna take this brush here because it looks like a blush brush. Say that 3 times. Blush brush, blush brush, blush brush. Oh my god, that gave me a headache. The blush is exposed and that makes it super easy to use. Smile. Oh, the color is very girly and natural. I really like it. The brush is also very nice. It is cute, easy to use. It also looks very nice on my skin. So cute! These are the tiniest eyeshadow palettes in the world. Yeah, big claims. They are by Sleek Makeup, and look how many eyeshadows we have in here. And I also have the full size palette so we can do a comparison. super tiny. I cannot even swatch them easily. Ooh, this is such a beautiful shade. And I'm also gonna use these tiny brushes. Okay, I'm taking product. The mirror in this palette is insane. I can actually use it. Ooh, I love the shade. I want to use this green one. Maybe it is a mistake. Maybe it's not. It is actually nice. Then I'm going with this light yellow. Ooh, that's super shiny. Then I'm taking this dark blue green and I'm going to blend it on the lower eye. That's so pigmented. I want to highlight the inner corner, so I'm taking this light shade. Oops. Yeah, it's a very big brush. Now I'm taking this bronzy one for the inner part. I did the other eye off camera and the eyeshadows were a lot easier to use. Also, the brushes worked very well even though they are shorter than what I usually use. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty! We need all of this makeup to stay all day long, so I have here the tiniest setting spray ever. It is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus that you can find a full size as well. The full size is 30 milliliters and this contains just 6 milliliters. It looks like a perfume sample. Drop in the comments how many sprays do you think that I need to cover my whole face. I say 8. Let's find out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I didn't need a lot because it has a very good spray and the mist is fine. Oh no, I have used almost half of it. Disaster. This was very easy to use. It is cute. I can use it maybe 3 times. This is adorbs. We are missing some color on the lips. No worries. I have here a lipstick set of tiny lipsticks. I'm really curious to see if I can use the lipsticks or if they are super tiny. They come in this case. The packaging is super cute. It says good happy. It has a plastic layer, so I'm gonna need to somehow remove this. Moment of truth. Dun dun dun. Oh my god, they are so tiny. Oh no, one of them has a mark. It happens in every Temu video for me. They are super tiny. All of the colors are very natural and I also have a red one. I had a red one. Found it and it has some dust on it. Oh, a light peachy one. Very similar. A little bit darker. Ooh, I love the shade. This is a brown again. And also the red one. That's a surprise. I think this is brownish. And this is a full-size lipstick. I'm super afraid to use this. Nothing holds the product. Oh boy, wish me luck. It smells like Play-Doh. And it has a stiffer consistency. I need to apply very lightly. The color is actually nice, but the scent is so bad. Very plasticky. I wouldn't say it is the easiest to use because I was afraid to break it. It is super cute because it is tiny. Cute is party. To get in, you need to be tiny and cute. My makeup looks nice. I can't say that we had major fails in this video. I think these products are perfect to add some cuteness to your collection. Drop in the comments which mini product you would like to try and make sure to watch this video as well.